Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. This haul was the one where you buy $50 worth of stuff, you get $10 off, so it's $40 if you give them an email address. So I went to pick up a couple things for somebody else and also for myself. I went specifically to get this, right here. This, I showed you this on before, I think on the last haul. So I went to go get another one of these. They were $7.99. The SKU is 2090690. These are great for your trunks, for a home, office, whatever you want. I don't like the color because I'm not really a pink girl at all. Ugh. But these hold 12 by 12 paper pads. And cheap. Now it is long in that sense, but it's a good storage for $7.99 compared to buying, you know, $65, $75 storage drawer or whatever. So, or the $100 cases or whatever. So, and it's sturdy. So you can put a whole bunch of paper pads in here, at least about 30, 40 or something like that. I don't know, but you can put other stuff in here. But I'm just saying it's at least the width of a 12 by 12. And you can use this in your trunk for groceries, different things like that, laundry, whatever. So end up getting two of those, one for me, one for my cousin. So while I was there, I did pick up a few things, and let's just jump right in. So I will start out with, let's see, ephemera. This one is Happiness is Homemade, and this is a 33 piece, and I may have this, but I'm not sure, so I went on and got it for $2.19. 2051806. And this one is the Bliss 63 piece, and it's 2035447 for $1.49. And those are the pretty images in there. I didn't pick up the paper though, but I did pick that up. I was happy to find these. It's so cute. Which I can make these, but these are just really cute and they're nicely done. This goes with the Wilder Heart, which I do have the paper pad. 2079222. So just really cute rosette pendants, rosettes with the little flag banners, fishtail banners. And then I got the box of crayons, which I thought these were kind of cute. These are like appliques, adhesive patches. 2079188. Had to pick up $10 extra of stuff that I didn't need to get this for $40, but it made it worth it. The enamel stickers for Amy Tangerine, which I had this paper pad, so I got, this was one of the extra things I picked up. 2052212 for $3.99. They've been out for a while. And this is the embellishments for they go on the board, the lettered board. No, they're not. These are just rubber stamps. I'm sorry, rubber shapes. 2057320. And I didn't mean to pick these up because I thought they were the ones that go on the letter it. So I need to take that back. But I don't know, I bought my $10. And then this is one of the texture fades embossing folder for $1.99. 2070554. I love the abstract of it with the looks like coffee stains. So that's why I got this one. Is called Ringer. That's how that looks. And these are the cards and pockets for $1.99. 2082161. And they say things like congrats, hello, miss you. And let's see. Pick this up too for a giveaway. This is the one of the bowl making sets for $3.99. It is 2077236. I actually already own this. I got this a couple years ago. One of the Joann's was going out of business. I had a haul. I had got like 100 and oh my gosh, literally like 130 some items for like $109 because they were going out of business. Everything was 90% off, and I had brought the large one and this 3-set one and the little accessories to go with it. These extra pieces. So I already had that, and you could use this with paper, ribbon, and Donna did a video. Oh, Donna, she did one with the crepe, which I've never tried it with the crepe paper, but I have done it with the ribbon and the paper. So I probably had that for a giveaway. And then I picked up a couple stamp sets. And this is 2 different hauls actually from 2 different days. This one is the Happy Joy for $4.49, 2079676. This is the turnaround set number 4, 2079688. And that was for my sister. This is for my sister right here too. This is the turnaround set number 1, 2079667. As I showed in the other video, her mixed media dies when I did the other day. She had all the other circles, so that's the other 2 in that. And this is one of the ones I picked up because I had to get $50. This was 2067890 for $4.99. This is the 6-piece snowflake and the 2-piece die set. And it says, just like a snowflake, you are one of a kind. Wishing your snowflakes friendship and blessings all year. Snowflakes gently cover the world in white. And then I got this one. My sister and I had this little phone conference, FaceTiming, arguing over this one. But I'm getting this for me, even though she likes it. And it is a good one for her, but I'm making it for me. It was $7.99, and it's 2079687. And it's a journal word stamp. I saw it first. I love it, but and I can use it more than she can. Since I've been picking up her stuff, I'm like, I'm getting this one for me. But this says different things like, you know, growing, grunge, friend, imagination, artful, cherish, becoming, artistic, anything, art, soar, soul, thankful, transformed, funny, family, just random words that you can make, you know, little word tags out of. Sorry about that glare. And this one is just absolutely, I love this mixed media one right here too. 2079681, and this one is called Big Fabric. I love that messy look of that one. So yeah, she was happy about that one. And then this one is one of the ones that I was missing out, the puffy sets that I showed in my Faith Illustrated haul, and it's $1.49, 2081116. So I passed it up the first time, but then I realized I needed that one to go with the rest of the kit. And this one says Happy is my favorite color, and it is 2079679. And I hauled this one before, but I got another one. 2081089 for $1.19. That's the Books of the Bible and some word sentiments. And this is other washi to go with the other line, which is Seeds of Faith, which I didn't have. 2081123 for $1.49. So now I have all the washis for the 4 different lines. And then I picked up these 2 metal stencils. And this one's for my sister, the splatters. And the shoes are for me. So this one's $2.49, 2082290, and it is called Paint Splat, 5x8 Paint Splat. So that's definitely her alley. And then this one is definitely me, 2082429, and it is the name's not on it actually. It just says the size up here, 4.75 by 7.25. But I'm just gonna call it shoe because that's what it looks like, a stiletto. And then I picked up the black letters for $2.99, 2067551. These are the 2-inch letters. And oops, this paper pad, which has been in there for a couple of weeks, a month or so, is 2045036, and it's called Pretty Things, 48 sheets. And this is one of the things I picked up to get me to $50. I was trying to pay out some paper, but it is very gorgeous paper. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. So gorgeous. I love that look. So I did pick up 2 of these Chasing Dreams. Now I did put, when I posted on Instagram, I made a comment about some of the Maggie Homes, and it's true, the 12 by 12s, they had smells in them. They were in the plastic, some out of the plastic in a couple different stores I went to, so it's more than one. It had smells. Now these 6 by 6 pads, I don't smell anything. They smell like paper, so or they don't even smell like ink, so that's fine. But I bought for a giveaway, because I think one may be for me and one is for a giveaway. But if I do have it for myself, then both of these would be for giveaways coming up. Random videos and our random giveaway may nothing to do with the subject matter, but just for people to stay to the end, or you know, in the middle, just whenever, maybe at the beginning. I'm just gonna have some random giveaways. So anyway, or they may be in racks. But this is a Chasing Dreams 6x6 36 sheet Maggie Holmes paper pad by Crepe Paper, and it's 206-8385. They had so much Maggie Holmes stuff out, it was ridiculous. So if you need some, this is the time to get it. And I have on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative 1. I posted those up there, so if you can form. They had the Chasing Dreams, Gather, Open Box, Shine, Confetti, Bloom, Carousel, and they were both in the 6x6 as well as the 12x12. But like I said, the Carousel was so pretty, and so was the Chasing Dreams, and so was the Gather and stuff. But I didn't get those because I just didn't. It had a little smell to me, and it was just kind of weird smell. I don't know what the smell was. So, and it wasn't like you had to go sniff it. You kind of could just smell it. It was like, so I picked it up. I was like, So anyway, maybe that's why they were in the store. I'm not sure. Or maybe because it was in some of them in the plastic, because I did the video in the store. But I went to the first store and it wasn't in the plastic and it had the smell. So I don't know. But anyway, but if you're looking for some Maggie Holmes, they have it. But anyway, so stay tuned for more giveaways. And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.